Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to launch the executable, and no admin rights will be required. Now, I already have some saved coordinates, so I'm just going to clear those out. And what you want to do is you want to hit add position. And once you click this button, it's going to actually capture the coordinates on the screen that you clicked. So once I click that, you're going to see the coordinates captured here. That'll be the first point that the mouse will click. And then I'm going to add a second. You want to at least add two coordinates so the mouse can go back and forth between two places. It's going to record the second coordinates, and then I'm actually going to add a third coordinate. And I'll click here, and it records the third coordinates. And you can actually set the interval of how many seconds you want in between each clicks. I'm going to set this to 10 seconds. And you can set how long you want it to cycle between these clicks. I'm going to set just 5 minutes here. Once you enter your details, you click Start. And every 10 seconds, it's going to click those preset coordinates. And it's just going to cycle like that for the next 5 minutes. And once the time has actually passed, you'll get a little pop-up saying, presence key has stopped, and lets you know it actually isn't running anymore. You can hit OK and it'll go away. Conversely, if you need to stop it right away, let's launch it again here. It already have my coordinates saved, and I can just hit Control, Shift, and Q to manually stop it. So if I start it, it goes, I hit Control, Shift, and Q, and I can automatically stop it right away. So this program actually keeps your computer active. It's different from other programs in the sense that it does more than just move your mouse around. It actually simulates mouse clicks. So it prevents your computer from showing active in any other applications, be it Teams, Slack, or Zoom. Your computer won't report itself as idle because it's actively clicking in the background. I show another video where I actually show you the code. It's just PowerShell code underneath this executable, and that's available for free. This one is a premium version. Both links to both versions will be in the description of it below. Thanks for watching. This has been brought to you by AIP Solutions.